Hi, hello. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Victor. I'm a developer advocate here at Flare. Flare is an L1 that has infinite oracles, meaning that you can do all kind of cool things, bringing data from Web2 to Web3.
Welcome to the On Research podcast show. We are at It Global, and I just came across Flare Network booth, and I think Flare is a really cool technology. I was just speaking to some of the teammates, and Victor here was nice enough to share with us something about Flare. So, Victor, I know Flare is an layer one. So, what makes it different from other L1s or all these other blockchain
Yeah,
technologies? Like, what's the niche about Flare?
what makes it unique, I would say, is the fact that it has enshrined oracles, like I mentioned. Now, think about this. If you're building, for instance, on Ethereum, and you want to communicate any kind of information from either Web2 or Web3, you would probably need to call an oracle, and you would call, let's say, Chainlink, right? An external party that is going to bring you that data, and they have their own security model, their own trust assumptions, and whatnot.
Yes.
With Flare, you have everything built in when it comes to data protocols. So you can comfortably share that information. You can bring in data from Web2 and Web3 to Flare, and the oracles are natively integrated with the chain.
Mm. Okay, so that sounds like I was eavesdropping to one of your teammates talking to another hacker here, and he was saying that the TPS are not very super high because we are focusing on solving another problem that is the oracles. Yeah, so what are the kinds of solutions that maybe developers can build on the Flare network?
Any kind of application, really. Like I mentioned, Flare is EVM compatible. It's actually very fast. You can test it that on your own, I guess.
Yeah.
And any kind of application that you can build in terms of like DeFi, maybe even gaming, socials. Socials, I think, is particularly important because you can think about having social graphs, and that's a data-rich application. So in general, any application that is data-rich, meaning that it requires a lot of data, Flare is a unique solution, I would say.
Yeah, and could you also talk about some of the opportunities because I can see over there's a grant available for teams.
Yes, absolutely. We do have several grants available for projects that are utilizing our technology in interesting ways. That means if you're having to build an application that really requires the use of these data protocols, these oracles, or maybe the Flare data connector to bring Web2 data to Web3, then you can certainly apply for grants, and we will be there to support you, and we will have more orientation for you as a builder on what kind of solutions we're looking for, and we try to reply as fast as possible, so it should be good.
Yeah, I think that's just it about this short episode. Where I think you'll provide me with some of the socials on how to reach the Flare team and also the Flare network, and just maybe closing remarks for this short episode
Yeah,
to the
sure.
builders and anyone willing to venture into the Flare world.
Yeah, it's super easy. If you find us on X, you can type Flare Network. We will be there. Also, make sure to follow our developers, Flare the Pub. Follow, like, you can check out our documentation. It's one of the most, I would say, complete documentations that is available in Web3, and we have a bunch of tutorials there. The grants, for sure, check it out. You can find that on our website. And if you need to contact me, I go by the name of 0x Quantic on social media, so you can find me very easily.
All right, thank you so much for this time, and I hope the developers build something nice and have a nice time.
Have a nice day. Take
All
care.
right, enjoy your time in Cannes. It's global. All right, bye.